Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. My name's John. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer, backed up by in-house Thai lawyers, barristers, accountants and consultants. I'm the firm's client affairs manager, and today we're here to discuss again a very important topic as the cases are widening as the crackdown continues with regard to nominee companies. Now this is going to be specifically targeted for nominee companies that are holding property and land, as in Pattaya, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Koh Phangan, all of these crackdowns are intensifying and are continuing on a daily basis, and so many people are getting caught out, arrested, charged and having assets seized. So the grey area is gone. Quite simple, Thailand is in a nominee crackdown. For decades it was the worst kept secret in Thailand. You want a villa with a pool in Phuket, a plot of land in Chiang Mai? Simple. You open a Thai limited company, pay a few locals to sign the name as shareholders, and voila, you own the land. It was easy, it was common, and for a long time, nobody looked too closely. But if you're holding property this way today, or thinking about buying, you need to structure and watch very, very carefully. The grey area isn't just closing, it's being demolished. The Thai government has launched a massive multi-agency crackdown on nominee companies, and the rules of the game have changed completely. New rules came into effect with regards to shareholders who are Thai as of the 1st of January 2026, and they have to show financial input for at least 3 months held in their bank account. And at times, and it's increasing, these shareholders will be asked to come for personal interview at the DBD. So the DBD, the DSI and the Land Department have formed a multi-agency task force targeting nominee companies, and especially nominee companies with foreign shareholders or directors. They're auditing tens of thousands of these companies in hotspots such as Phuket, Pattaya, etc. They aren't just looking at paperwork anymore. They're using data analytics to follow the money trail. They're asking, where did these Thai shareholders get the 51% of a multi-billion baht villa? If those shareholders are your maid, your driver, or a stranger from a lawyer's list, and they can't prove they actually invested their own money, you're in the DSI's crosshairs. So what happens if they catch you? Under the Foreign Business Act and new anti-money laundering protocols, the penalties are severe. First, criminal charges. Both you, as the foreigner, and the Thai nominee face up to 3 years in prison and fines of up to 1 million baht, plus daily fines and penalties until the violations stop. The assets. This is the part that hurts the most. The court can order the dissolution of your company. When that happens, the assets, your dream home, must be liquidated, forced to sell, maybe in a very quick fire sale as we know them, or worse, if money laundering charges are attached, the state can seize the property entirely. Your money, your home is gone. Blacklisting. You could be deported and blacklisted from ever re-entering Thailand. Imagine losing your home and being banned from the country all at once. Thailand is still an incredible place to live, but you have to respect the law. Stop trying to outsmart the system. The system has caught up. If you want to own, buy a condo freehold in foreign quota. That is 100% legally in your name. If you want a house, secure a 30-year lease, sapping sith, superficies, etc. It gives you the legal rights without the criminal record. If you already have a company structure, audit it now. Ensure your company is doing real business, paying taxes, and that your shareholders are legitimate partners, not just names on paper. The era of a paper company is over. Don't let your dreams in paradise be turned into an absolute nightmare. So there's a couple of flags that the Land Department, the DSI and the DBD are looking for. And the more red flags that you may have, the more urgent your need to restructure and have proper and sound legal advice is paramount. So, ghost shareholders, goes without saying. Are these Thai shareholders individuals you've never met, provided by an agency or a law firm? Low income profiles. Are these Thai shareholders on low income? Have they got low social security or no social security? Are they your maids, your drivers? Is it impossible for them to own financially 51% of your company's assets. So let's take it at a 10 million villa. Do they have over 5 million of their own assets? The likelihood is, quite simply, no. Multiple holdings. Do the same Thai shareholders, and this is one you're probably never going to know if you're set up by an agency or an unscrupulous firm, do these Thai individuals appear on dozens or hundreds of other unrelated companies? The DBD now tracks the names digitally. Prime example, over the recent months, one Thai shareholder was a shareholder and director in over 147 companies holding land for foreigners in Phuket. Traced and now in the system. The money trail, proof of funds. If audited, can the Thai shareholders prove and produce bank statements to say that they invested the money? Or did the money or capital come from the foreign shareholders? Have you been paying through the company salaries or dividends to these shareholders? Most operational companies will be paying dividends to shareholders. Nobody invests their own capital with no return. The sleeping business, the old-fashioned, it's a paper business and we do nothing. No commercial activity. Do you do nothing? Do you have zero returns? Do you have no utility bills coming in, no invoices coming in and out? Does your paperwork say real estate trading or consulting, but the company's never sold or consulted on anything? Does your balance sheets produce continuous losses? If so, how are you holding assets? The smoking gun and document control. Undated share transfer forms signed but undated by the Thai shareholders. This is a huge flag, and usually by the courts, it is independent, standalone evidence that you are using nominees. Total control clauses in your articles of association. Do you, as the minority shareholder, have ultimate 100% power and voting rights over the Thai shareholders? Again, things like this, the courts take into consideration, and it's usually quite damning. So, the danger zones. From all of that assessments I've just given you, do you have one or two red flags, a standard risk? Many older companies do, but it's advisable to tidy up your paperwork. 3 to 5 red flags, you're at high risk. You're vulnerable if an audit occurs or if a dispute arises. 6+ red flags, critical. The structure is effectively indefensible in court, and if investigated, the company will likely be dissolved and assets liquidated and seized. So, quite simply, this is for anyone and everyone who is owning or thinking of owning land and property in Thailand under a company name. The company has to be lawful. If you're using nominees, you've got off to a very bad start. You're committing criminal offences for which you will get punished if found out. If you want to hold land, your company should be trading, legitimately doing what it's set up to do. Work out, work in, invoices out, invoices in. If you're holding land, you can also think about renting it out to produce an income for the company itself. So, the takeaways from this. If you're holding or thinking of holding land, let's look at your company structure. If you're worried about things, good, independent, genuine law firms will look at your company structure and provide to you a risk assessment and advice. We at Anglo Legal can do that, as can other reputable lawyers in and around Pattaya and Thailand. Don't take the risk, because the risks are coming to your door. These new computer systems and analytics are following and tracking everything. 2026 is going to be a big year. Don't get caught out. Stay secure, stay lawful, stay safe. For all of your legal needs, the expert English-speaking team at Anglo Legal are here to assist. Thanks for watching.